Okay folks, today we're working on a 98 Pontiac and we're going to charge the AC system. Now I've hooked the hose and the gauge up to the service port here, as you see, without the engine running. Simple to do. You take your little hose end, pull back on the little sleeve there, the little coupler end, and then you push it on here. And pop it on and it'll pops right into place. Okay, and then check it and try to pull on it a little bit and make sure it doesn't fall off. Okay, now our initial reading here is it's only 15 pounds of pressure with the engine off, so that's almost empty. Alright, every vehicle has a AC capacity sticker like this one on it. It's usually a yellow color like this. This one is actually on the strut tower of the car. Sometimes you'll find it on the front radiator support, or actually on the receiver dryer canister. But anyhow, this one says it takes R134 refrigerant, and on the side here it says the capacity is 1.88 pounds. Okay, so that's what we're going to put in, about 175, because that's how low it is right now. So now we're going to turn the engine on and the AC on, and we're going to start putting refrigerant in. Alright, now to puncture the can, you're going to screw this little T-handle all the way into the can, and then you're going to turn it outward, which will release the refrigerant to go into the car. Okay, so we're going to open this up before we start it up because it's empty. Alright, we're going to start letting some in, and now we're going to start the car up, and you see the needle's going up because it's reading the pressure in the can. Now we're going to start the car up, turn the AC on, and the compressor is going to actually suck the Freon out of the can, and the needle will go down. So we're going to finish up putting this can in. We're going to take this can and maybe a little more to fill it up. Alright, we've added one big can of this Envirosafe refrigerant, and we have some pressure up to about 30 psi, and it's about 75 degrees outside here. And you'll see if we get on the throttle, the pressure's going to go down. See that? Okay? You have to throttle it to test it. So what we're going to do is going to add one more can of refrigerant. Close. Okay, so now we have our can is empty. I'm going to go ahead and disconnect from the car. We're going to take this can off. I have a small can of sealer with green dye, or you could use the next can of refrigerant, whatever you need. Make sure you back out this little valve all the way before you put the next can on. That way it won't puncture the can. Put the new can on here. Snug it up there like that. We're going to hook up to the car once again. Give it a little tug, make sure it's on. We're going to puncture the can, screw this little valve all the way in the can. Okay, we're going to open the can, turn it all the way to the left till you see the gauge go up again. Okay, and we're going to hold the can upside down, and we'll load this other can in here. It only takes a minute. This stuff comes out of the can quickly. And if you want, you could get on the throttle a little bit. We'll pull it out. Okay, that's good. We're going to close the can. I think we're going to be good there. Now when it's cool outside, you're going to charge to about where it is down on the low area. But if it's 90 or 100 degrees, you want to charge all the way up to the top of the blue area. Okay, and then you need to throttle it to double check what you got. See, when it's hotter outside, that needle will go up. So anyway, we're good. Okay, don't forget, read the instruction paper that's included, and if you have any questions or need any help, give me a call. I'm here to help. And thank you for your purchase. Be careful of Copycat Sellers on eBay. They don't give any tech support, and they're not AC guys like me. All right, thanks again.